Many creators seek portable options for stunning aerial videos. The best compact drone for video stands out with its lightweight design and impressive camera features that deliver professional results on the go. These drones simplify capturing dynamic footage with ease. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K drone delivers reliable performance for anyone wanting smooth aerial video without extra regulatory steps. Weighing less than 249 grams, it qualifies for recreational use without FAA registration or remote ID requirements, letting users grab it for spontaneous outings. A 4K camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal produces steady, high-detail footage that holds up across sunrise, sunset, and lower light situations by minimizing shake from movement or wind by restricting shake from movement or wind. Brushless motors give it enough power to stay steady in level 5 winds reaching 38 kilometers per hour, while also supporting takeoffs at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. Battery choices add real flexibility. A single pack yields about 31 minutes, 2 packs reach 62 minutes, and 3 packs extend to 93 minutes, which works well for longer shoots without constant interruptions. New pilots like the simple one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return-to-home safety net, and stable hovering that keeps everything positioned reliably. Built-in app tutorials speed up learning basic controls. One small extra step involves downloading the DJI Fly app directly from the official site, since it is no longer on Google Play for Android devices.
Number 2. Potensic Atom 10km Drone. The Potensic Atom 10km drone appeals to users who want extended reach and smart assistance for video work. Its 1/2-inch Sony sensor records 4K video at 30 frames per second with HDR and produces 48 megapixel stills, all stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal that keeps shots level even when the drone moves. The f1.8 aperture and pixel binning technology help maintain detail and color in dimmer conditions, while night shot modes deliver clearer low light clips. A fast-charging hub refills 3 batteries in roughly 1.3 hours, and the 3-battery kit supports up to 96 minutes of combined flight time for extended explorations. The updated remote with directional antenna and PixSync 4.0 technology maintains a strong link out to 10 kilometers, streaming 1080p live view with good resistance to interference. AI tracking offers practical modes such as Spotlight, Follow, and Parallel that lock onto subjects automatically, and creative video tools include dolly zoom, slow motion, cineroll, and quick shots for cinematic results. Vertical 2.7K shooting, 4x digital zoom, and panoramic options expand still photo choices. Weighing under 249 grams, it needs no registration. This combination suits travelers and content creators who value longer range, automated tracking, and quick turnaround between flights, delivering solid versatility in a compact package. Number 3. Oddire 4K Drone. The Oddire 4K drone focuses on straightforward GPS-assisted flying and extended sessions for everyday aerial video. An intelligent GPS system triggers automatic return to home when battery runs low or signal drops, while additional modes such as GPS follow, route planning, and fly around help users create smooth paths with minimal input. The adjustable camera uses an f2.15 110-degree wide-angle lens that tilts up to 90 degrees via remote or app, capturing photos at 4096 by 3072 resolution and recording video at 2048 by 1088 resolution for usable footage stored directly to an SD card or connected phone. Two 7.7-volt 1800 mAh batteries combine for up to 48 minutes of total flight time, with a clear battery indicator that helps plan sessions. The higher voltage design supports stronger output than many standard packs. A 5G Wi-Fi module with signal repeater in the controller maintains stable real-time transmission out to 500 meters. Brushless motors provide level 5 wind resistance in a 249-gram body that avoids registration requirements.
3D flips, gesture photo, gravity control, and one-key takeoff and landing, plus VR viewing support. The companion app adds filters and background music for quick editing before sharing to social platforms.
Number 4. Holystone HS790 drone balances stable video capture with practical range and battery convenience for varied users. A 3-axis mechanical gimbal keeps 4K video at 30 frames per second and 6K photos smooth, even during wind or quick movements, producing cinematic results suitable for travel clips or event coverage. Advanced Wi-Fi repeater technology supports real-time 4K transmission with low latency out to 9 kilometers or 30,000 feet, giving clear first-person view for longer distance flights. 2 intelligent batteries deliver up to 60 minutes of combined flight time, and the included smart charging hub supports fast PD charging, while also functioning as a portable power bank for on-the-go use. One-key controls handle takeoff, landing, and return, with beginner aids like altitude hold, headless mode, and adjustable speed. More experienced pilots can switch to full manual operation. A dedicated night mode and updated navigation system improve visibility during twilight or darker conditions for safer low-light flights. Built-in AI quick shots simplify creating dynamic clips with a single tap, and the foldable design adds portability. The overall package positions this drone as a capable option for hobbyists, teens, and adults,
offering good flight endurance and transmission distance in a compact form that supports both casual and more ambitious video projects. Number 5. Ruko U11 Mini 4K Drone. The Ruko U11 Mini 4K drone stands out for users who prefer a self-contained controller without relying on a phone. Its built-in 5.5-inch 1080p touchscreen lets pilots launch and fly directly from the remote, eliminating cables and app distractions for a cleaner experience. A 1/2-inch CMOS sensor captures 8K photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second with strong dynamic range, preserving detail in family gatherings or landscape scenes. The 3-axis mechanical brushless gimbal reduces vibration for consistently steady footage during movement. Weighing under 249 grams, the drone requires no FAA registration or remote ID, making it simple for road trips or hiking. Digital transmission reaches up to 20,000 feet with excellent signal penetration and lag-free viewing, even without Wi-Fi, which suits open areas or varied terrain. 2 intelligent batteries provide up to 64 minutes of flight time and support PD 3.0 fast charging for quick readiness. Quadruple positioning using GPS, barometric, time of flight, and optical flow sensors, combined with AI takeoff and landing plus automatic return for low battery or signal loss, adds strong safety margins. A built-in beeper and refreshable home point further aid retrieval if needed. This setup works especially well for beginners or anyone wanting minimal tech hassle, delivering reliable video performance, long transmission range, and independent operation in a truly pocket-friendly design. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.